Hello, my name is Martínez. I am 20 years old and I am studying business administration at the University to Compensar. I currently work as nanny, taking care of 16-month-old baby. Um, Over to the move is a story Chinese about I will walk always could of might told her by her mother about an eternal love between Shanghai and you. A Chinese woman and Earth who wanted to spend their whole life together. They were going to dream a dream of immortality. Shanghai had to dream every night and were separate. Where she was sent to Lunaria and he stayed on early till he died. Fei goes on a great adventure where she has great daring to connect the Queen of the Moon and can help the loss of her mother who died when she was younger. Fei Fei is the protagonist who believed deeply in my told her by her mother light. Shanghai is the more ghosted was what's for her beloved. Shin is the half-brother of Fei Fei, who was to have a good relationship with her. Mr. Short is the stepmother of Fei Fei, jumping Bonnie Fei Fei that her parents gave her and become her faithful companion. Boy, new queen of Fei Fei of Lunari, was what Wahed between Lunaria place where lies the queen amulet represents the love between Shanghai and his beloved. Thank you.